This printer uses pigment ink, which is waterproof. Ensure you have the correct ink for this model. Match each ink bottle to its corresponding ink slot. The bottle nozzles are specifically designed to fit the correct slots. Align the ink bottle with the nozzle and gently slot it into place. The ink will automatically flow into the tank. The bottles are equipped with an anti-spill design, so no ink will leak, even if you lift the bottle during the process. Once the tank is full, remove the bottle and repeat the process for the other colors. Refill effortlessly and keep your printer running smoothly.